Observer high GC News, Bima Obibia Aquaba. Hadia latest and hot news. Enqua Eramide Bremo. Enunti Sonya subscribe to channel idea, Bomodia say obe subscribe. The obe say obe click the subscribe button. Now wabeli a notification. We understand video for Frobia be upload when the first person I want sa ebeka a video. Afi we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fi share ma or for frosuna when you be here now who and someone ekoso ewo Ghana memo hanum. Afi yenti a yes report here ababetu ya yenti a yes ansemi yenti.
Ma NPP constituency chairman Fifi Mensah has been arrested. Memo volume me say Bantama NPP constituency chairman Fifi Mensah ya cheno. Se Ghana for Bekaya before the elections, me ba bonten be kachire Ghana for nyina say Fifi Mensah a oye Bantama NPP constituency chairman oye kromfo a wawia Sister Barbara former NPP women organizer USA nisika $50,000 na sa sika no na enye Fifi Mensah no nko na fa akwati kwanso wiaye na NPP mpanimfo bi mu ni mu bi but Fifi Mensah no na ye the core thief but omo support no na omo eboa no na asenso boache NPP Bantama MP Frima Opare chief of staff on the Ojento Makenti no wa mobi mu DC oje adwene nyina on the another information Mensaka yesesa handbag na neje handbag ho papa investors na no mo ka kire me say investors no say omo the investment ba cat Afrima Opare any Cecilia dapa omo pay handbag oto handbag dia ene waku omo kura anana komia kwanya na komia mo fa so ene NPP mpanimfo bebre na midi nkande this story ebaye no NPP fo bi mo se me Frank Adane meboa na me ka asema akire wo se me meboa na ya che ni nsusu ye now Fifi Mensah na nkasa mpo ba bonten ebeka se me Frank Adane meboa ema me ba bonten be reattitude and lo and behold every news wa me Frank Adane meye bia no Jubilee House asema metna we are for Ken TV meka biara Jubilee House hwe because Jubilee House kire say so motesema ye video a na omoye mashi omo say pram because ensema me de begu ho no eye no kuretrudu a efa won ho kwanya omo fa kwamone so asai Ghana enti bra me di kan ye video about Fifi Mensah krono a wabono man show any audio evidence enti Fifi Mensah eko Jubilee House bra mo te me video no e ma ne ka kire Jubilee House say me Frank Adane eye tro na medi na nokore bia enim e na mo Fifi Mensah ba abonten bekle say eye tro na nokore bia enim but time me drop audio evidence no e na Jubilee House sanso tie ho e na Jubilee House of Fifi Mensah say Fifi no krinya nkopo anim nie evidence say Frank Adane a play no eye no kre isan say ensema ewo mu no ibi afa yasumu pen yate asem no ho pen moreover case na Frank Adane eka no afe na yakai eda so da attorney general officer esesa attorney general eye ho adwuma enti asem no kanokre ho na Fifi Mensah ni nkoto dwegu form ose nokure nie sika no de omwadi na mum enya ne nko a na one awura na ye frɛ no adwoa no na edi sika no se me ka kire wo enti wo a wote ho a me ka asɛm a wudi mi atem no wahunu wanim guase even the Jubilee House for mpo no a omwadi bone a me ka no omumpo nim pefe se me Frank Adane asɛm a me kan eye nokore na wo na wote baabi fa body beto me chok hiani ba a Jubilee House for na ball kro no a wo no wo bre no wo na wo defend akromfo no akromfo no kora agitum se me Franka Daniel asema mekan eye no kore na wo na ye de kro no na bo wa wo bre no udi mi atem onwa nim guase fifi mensa me say ye chie no Kumasi Central Police Station as say ya granting a bail na ye granting a bail no enye Sister Barbara nko na fifi mensa abo no kro no. There are many guys in Kumasi fifi mensa afa kwa money so awia won sika na NPP fo ne asantefo bi mu a fifi mensa age won sika se ode omo bekọ abrochire obema omo police ode omo bekọ soldier ode omo bekọ immigration fire service ne customs obema omo adwuma no enya de ketwa enti ye chi na ye man bail no pe ena oya wadwana ba behye America ha na fifi mensa man nya na adwen se wadwane because mrantie na fifi mensa bo nkro no wo Kumasi ho no they are ready for fifi mensa na enonso so no another chapter because guys no bi mu a omode omusika na emu edu over base $150,000 a fifi mensa adi won sika no me se me pe baako na me ne omo adi nkomo ansa na my that news so in another chapter. Na bantama for NPP bantama. Enti mwenye ubia se fifi mensa kronfo. Na when him say fifi mensa or scammer. NPP for I am saying it today on authority say fifi mensa NPP bantama constituency chairman or scammer. Na mo NPP for enti mwenye ubia manim o bantama scammer. Ene kronfo asenso boache. Mumisa asenso boache. After ye to abawi ene nsema woka. Me kasa se na omo nam na omo dwo mu se me Franka Daniel meboa. Me asenso boache. Se nokure nie onim se fifi mensa ye kronfo. Na because of se oye ne constituency chairman ti ena ontumi nka. That is ankoma asenso boache edi na asenso boache esugu ni yam. Kwanya fifi mensa faso atete oni Sister Barbara ntem. Sister Barbara, NPP women organizer, former USA. And sister no, obi biara owo NPP mu onim no biara no nim se sister no kura komapa. Kwanya ofa so boa senso boache, ma senso boache benya MP. Ohwe bantama, kwanya Sister Barbara de ni sika a support bantama for in the name of asenso boache. Bantama NPP officer ewo ho sese okwa nsiesie a ewo ho nyina no Sister Barbara na nkasa botom sika no de yeye na omo wo som kadi bi kura na ya customize no bantama as fifi mensa wobi asanso boachi wobi na MPP mpanimfo na nkasa bebre wobi Sister Barbara na ye no US ha de koma omo enti se na yato abana wie no afei na asanso boachi esugu ni yam kwan a fifi mensa afaso agu nanim ase nanka o defend no because of the chairman ti na ageta na fifi mensa de I am assuring you obedem isanse case no bra ye che na ye feda case no so not knowing the case is still pending at Attorney General's office inti ye trezi ko Attorney General's office eho ena Attorney General na beka se case na omode baaye no omo instructe fifi mensa ene adwoane se omomfa the bank statement of Sister Barbara and the company account number from the NIB eno ano no omonsi hobio because of say omunim say bank statement ne ba ebe show kwan a omoafa so withdraw sika without the notice of Sister Barbara. But as I am speaking officially court atro e de akwa akoma no ye seek permission from court say NIB and provided the bank statement of Sister Barbara and the company account no. Now say NIB for provided the statement ni we are eho ena ye de agina so enti fifi mensa America hakura na oba no okosiki permission before ansa na oba America ha sa fifi mensa se meboa omra bonten bio na so ti America ha wo de onye fe na me say me bom paye se emrantie no omo be freme because omo frame ade mi hia eye fifi mensa bank account a ewo America ha odeje omo sika over $100,000 no eno na mepe. I'll report him myself. Mama ya che no wa America ha. And kwanya fifi mensa fa so je sika kwanya sika no fa so beto fifi mensa account no no. Obi biara o wa America ha bia no, you know how the system works. Se sika bi beto account abra wonya nye adwuma. You know how it is done. Nti me bom paye se mrante no. Omo be freme. Ana me no mo be di nkomo. No mo be ma me go ahead. No more provide 50 men's account details to me. And there no no. 50 men's office say we Ghana. Ghana womb. A hand so and the hand put in and care dekese. Because the hand there, ya feel now obey your mama say papa see you. Now more Ghana for me catch them kwanya NPP mpenim for led by President Akufo-Addo. Afaso abo Ghana kronoa. Nye no na yeto abatia omo no. Abano kra na yetutia omo no. It's not enough. It's a say yen Ghana for nyina. Yes, so bought President Akufo-Addo na MPP mpenim for duya. Yes, because that is the only solution. Me say, it's a say yen Ghana for nyina. Ye bought President Akufo-Addo duya. Na ye kronoa President Akufo-Addo na MPP for abo Ghana no. Ano edin. Na ye kachire mo MPP Goro boys mo na mo didi mi atem no ene fifi mensa opon krono awudi sem a waye no nse wadwena free Ghana ho abetena America ha wo da so te Ghana ho ba wo hiani ba wo nwene ho wo na wo defend no NPP mpanimfo bebre sesei omo dwane free Ghana e betena abrochire omo hwiehwie sika toto adan wa America ha ibi wo UK ibi wo Europe ibi wo Canada ibi mo omode ma rent eje so mfaso and nye edane ina ne ibi mo so omode omoyire ne omoma aba begu ha ya lose awie wawia owona japade oba betena ha wo na wo ye ma wo anwane mo no oda so te ho anwane mo ne fatawo wo na tumi ni kura wo no watimi atena ho ama ya ma wa anwane mo ye to abaya ma wa anwane mo bi so se ye di bronya brank ese ye chicha anwane mo no ye ma ubi se ya ma ubi e ho na wo se waje bread full nka bronya bra ye chicha anwane mo bronya bra ye cha achede no e no de wa ma ye koto aba anwane mo entoma enchene sekan ene se fatawo ene nana akomya udwane aba abetena ha omo apake omo niema nyina MPP mpanimfo no bimo omo nyina apake omo niema omo udwane aba abetena bruchiri because omo totofie ede omo yire no omo ma dikin aba begum nti omo nsoso no omo oba se me ka kire mo waso den omo sanso ko ayi embassies ko ka kire embassies ni se maye magana ni bia visa na Ghana ye de ene se wote ho ukope visa nso so ana ye deny wo wasanso aboka bosia wo boye ne wadwuma kakra waye ne usika kakra waye ne yasanso deny waka ho ene opedate mpo ako interview wo American embassy a unya bi because of Ghana politicians won sunu won ban ubeye brebre kra na ubenya bi either Europe UK or whatsoever na ya eno so ne ye deny wo Ovesa koshima eno ano no UK na no me adafu ba go frere was Frank na nke senka oko ayi November 3 months ni visa do da so sheme mai na obi sa me nam so eye normal say you tufu amuntie me mete ha ka no kura kirewo and you are denying me bisa say me Frank Adane asembe na me maka maditro. And I remember back on no crown of mama information be said, me find out. Me go so me find out. Me nya no kranu wie, me ba bontia ba beka. Na me kan na obi say oh, or ti Jubilee House. Na asema me kan no enye no kre. Na wo ti Jubilee House or even national security or ti Jubilee House or kra no. Ye bu omo for almost 8 good years. Omo hu hwe. Na wo so dey also ti Jubilee House. Wo ti Jubilee House ho no, wo ti me ben President Akufo-Addo. Oh, bakura na wasi uti ase what da form wo se uti Jubilee House wo Jubilee House na oto no de na ye de ye wo ye foul form to send to mago we katua kura no ye di for the past 8 good years wo hu wo so da so uti Jubilee House ye ka wo se mayenka guru boy sa wo kofie be fa de obedie se President Akufo-Addo asay party no wa say MPP party no na me ade ba ko a in fact me te ya me rehoye opening bi and so mo dem ya me boni din or position from 2017 to 2020 MPP amamuom President Akufo-Addo amana position ana opening kosugu Kennedy Akompre ko Japan so say or position na president nko kasa na president man position Kennedy Akompre ko Japan ko ya na nado danko Akufo-Addo catch rep Kennedy Akompre ko Japan say o ma opening no position na man ochina isan say o supporto Alan or ye Alan fan 2020 Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen abre so 2020 nana nado danko Akufo-Addo afa Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen ho adwemmone omo supporto Alan omo ye Alan krofo bia no wasala ne omo wabo omo buga na wo sori a wo se wo ye patriot wo se obi ye patriot na se na nado ye patriot a adentina obi a wo se oye Alan supporter na supporto Alan man position a wo se wo ma no na mo me se Ghana fo munim President Akufo-Addo se munim President Akufo-Addo a nke nyina nke dene be kwa ntoa akwa bonidua because abato na ya to man anim agu ase no it's not enough enye enough se wo pe bonsam me say na nado danko Akufo-Addo is even dangerous than bonsam itself Ghana for me se munim na mo MPP for me say asema America me bo amomra bonte meka me challenge me there are many MPP for Omote Jubilee House because of say bia omo support to Alan because Alan is an old member of MPP or won crofo bebre inti se wono support no dental man na President Akufo-Addo na pre abano a wasem hye ni trim so 2020 from 2024 ebai ena Ken ewura mu a ena ye ma opani no position na wo President Akufo-Addo a wo build Ghana wo build NPP aden na wo yes anyi yemu no na utimi di position no e ma wo ankasa wabusuafo se na wanu ho se ene wanu ho wo di position se ma wabusuafo agya Ghana fo a omode won wedie eyeye na Ghana fo ne MPP fo so no yemfa nyemo musune mo ban na wonim opani no yede kana Japan pre ya yede position ma no a ene okura position as at now no bra ye ko primaries ono na obo Kennedy Akompre ko Japan buga yes ono ena osanso bo Kennedy Akompre ko Japan buga na matese nipa no oba be pe the national executive position no bi I am waiting for it me information na minya aye no nipa na kire say oh or support to Kennedy Japan but because of the nanado danko Akufo-Addo ye nuntina now yes na me say he se Kennedy Akompre ko Japan a yesi ya maw na wantimi anya kuku oduro an support no na oda so suro President Akufo-Addo ya na why Kennedy Akompre ko Japan abra you doesn't deserve to be a leader in the country that means say oh my Ghana ko ahokyere ne ahohiahia mu a ana MPP ko ahokyere ne ahohiahia mu a untumi defended that because of your personal interest me I don't give a damn I am getting some list of NPP for bi mu a almost omo be pre-national executives I am waiting for it wa wo ball Kennedy Akompre ko Japan buga bia no forget it wa Kennedy Akompre ko Japan boa wo na even wo se wo do Kennedy Japan wo wakoma mu but because of nanado danko Akufo-Addo nti wantumi anyi wanim forget it and omotoma wa fine but me I will never and ever defend you because unye nipa uwa kukuduro a obetimi agina ho ama party no untumi mfekire nokore enka yempo na ye fekire nokore ka no na mu didi ya atem hwe nipa bi te se Karosa Henkora because of wo President Akufo-Addo nti papai a wako school onimuma or represent constituency etimi kwatam ballot papers edwane in parliament na otimi the ballot papers crash na num na ye bro obi papa obi MP na ye bro no animguase camera dane so because of o President Akufo-Addo owie ya all because of support Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen masalane no na mo nso so no yemfa nimo who is President Akufo-Addo oye bone te se na muntumi nka na mo na mo ye MPP fo na obi aka na no atum na mo hwe no de na obetimi de ayewo senka wa bo bra yie and now depending on your owner. Why do you fear President Akufo-Addo? Motena say yen hwe ha ma President Akufo-Addo asay MPP asay Ghana yi eno na afi na mo kasa e say asay awie mo kasa ye den ti said de ma hwe nhwe ha ma obi awu no wawu awie wusu aye den o kan aye den nipa no te ase no party no te ase no mo antimi anye niema bia mo betimi ma party no agira na nan so niema fon niema tantan kro no na ekoso President Akufo-Addo ahunahuna na ohunahuna mo antimi amie ma no anka na mama party na asaya wie no afe na mo bekasa he me say MPP fo no wo a wabokro no bia wo bedam na media me catch Yewura John Dramani Mahama say oye mistake na ojai MPP fo na omo ya akromfo na 2028 is just around the corner, and I am telling him there are many MPP fo a omo aba de ma Yewura John Dramani Mahama, not because of say Yewura John Dramani Mahama or me develop Ghana. John, I am telling you, we NDC near tine Ghana for ne MPP fo bi man to aba ma mo NDC fo ne Yewura John Dramani Mahama se mo me develop Ghana. Yes, se mo mra na mo meche MPP fo akromfo no ntum. Se mo che MPP fo akromfo no gum na mo gi sika no mpo na se mo twa free SHS ma Ghana fo pe. I am telling you. Opa John Dramani Mahama oba mento even one block mento. Na mum che MPP fo akromfo no nyina gum na gi sika no. Ghanaians will hail you and one Ghana for everywhere. That is the honest truth. But on the side of development, I know I've been assuring you, say, the world-class investors, they are ever ready. Say, sika biya Yewura John Dramani Mahama here, so the big developer biya, they're ever ready to bring it. Because when it comes to dollars, the investors are ready to bring trillions. Read my lips, Mr. saying trillions of dollars. But yemfa sika and share president in some, and I yemfa sika and share ministers, appointees, investors nan kasa, and a disicano, eba beye jumedino. Inti as a president, which is John Dramani Mahama, said the old pese, o ye, de magana, no project no, o can, sika ubi hiano, na omoa, na ye nan kasa ya babaye. That is it. Yensu you create development dada. Inti the yensu ya pese ye de ma o mayano, na ye de atu enim. Na one o cabinet ene o ministers ne hwan moje tuma na eno so na ya that is it, very simple. Enu bi ena nanka ya de beboa MPP na nado danko Akufo-Addo a President Akufo-Addo say up 10%. Akufo-Addo kromfo na obi say only court na beka se obi ye kromfo inti me frankadane mintumi nka se President Akufo-Addo ye kromfo abrakot enka ye me say me de mensa asimi bo say President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo o ye kromfo opa mfa me kokot minsuru no investors no o say oje 10%. Mumi sa Cecilia Dapa kromfo ma me abere wa won nwini nipa ho free ma opare kromfo Frima opare. Mumisa Frima opare say why na ofre na o say ohia $250 million or the BA fertilizer factory. Asembe na investor na ka kire o. In February, o say na mo ko opposition me mfa $250 emrew. Na why na bitua? Frima opare. Kromfo ba. Na me pese mo sa MPP for no mo de bewo. Me pe mo MPP for no me pe di obi oso ye bema. Di obi oso ye law. Dioso nimra nanka onkonkosi ume. I am ever ready for you people. Akromfo wudifu tremedemfo. Investor every Ghana $5 billion. Me say read my lips. $5 billion. President Akufo-Addo Cecilia Dapa said there be. I just saw moji 10%. E pamo investor no mo de ekoye. What I say my making say me almost say me boa. They should go and sue me Cecilia Dapa. Any President Akufo-Addo. Ye ma Ghana free $1 billion in 1D1F. $1 billion in education, $1 billion in health, $2 billion in debt restructure, debt services, say debt and I feel so Ghana yinkoto kano e kabia Ghana abobiano ombetua. President Akufo-Addo so here 10%. Ama wo President Akufo-Addo utimi kwaje IMF loan 3 billion okra yamfani nyina ama wo yama $600 million, $200 million, $400 million yitua no sope ni obi okita $5 billion e de brew for free wanye kromfo kronunti na me se Ghana fo munim de President Akufo-Addo aye nka ye nyina ye be boni dua kedne be ko ayi Antwa, from Antwa to Nsuo, from Nsuo to Abosoma ewo Ghana, from Abosoma ewo Ghana na ye kwa asofofo, from asofofo ewo Ghana na ye kwa nkramo na nka ye be dome President Akufo-Addo aka ho. Voting against him is not enough. That is President Akufo-Addo for you. The kuro no na wadi abebo Ghana no. Mumisa President Akufo-Addo say on 23rd June 2020, June 2020, investor man bank statement, bank account $50 billion after COVID. So the baby develop a Ghana. Akufo-Addo so here 10%. $50 billion. Akufo-Addo. Me say nyame aninti na woti Jubilee House a wo bo birim no. Enunti na woti Jubilee House a wo bo birim no. Now we see with the constitution of Ghana no Udi president I just said 3 years and also some years and sana ya jeliu enti se mekase ye be jeli President Akufo-Addo abemekwa no minim de meka okay say emra no kura no makwan se ye jeli na what about the nature anything what you are obo birim no feel say the nature shall forgive him what disika u feel say emra no bo ho ban ma ho bokro no nti no dia ope e na obeye we are waiting for you. Na menkwati a MPP for yes so mo asake over 400 members be from the MPP. Na am say na MPP for so that we no na ama atiasi mutirima mo nso so mo ye niema anti-clockwise na sesen. Na wo pa malankwadwo kire manten ene hopes na adoye mo. Eno kura no mwanya 38.2% warewali FM. Kandi je nkwa mumfa stia no mame nkwa mami misa question we stia na Tachima magazine for yama Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia no ewo hefa ewo wale ana ewo Jubilee House we dia mama ana mototwene ye we dia mama ehunu we dia mi bisa stia no ewo he se ya hayam timiam fa stia na ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia nka ebe ya ana ebe ka handing over no ho. Okay, ebi ebe can hand over no na ya hand over the ama the vice no which is ye ma me oba no yes ye be hand stia na ma no okay yentu aso with the letter mosake omo from the party look at animguase ato MPP na ene mo sore ya mo se masake over 400 MPP members na mo no masake mo ho na mo hweb dadie bia mpompo kire wo motoom President Akufo-Addo te ho na makosake obi chama wuntume te ho na makosake obi NPP national executives mo te ho na mo se mo sake obi mo ho enwanwa na wane dia ni mu o yesade me de me nyini se ye nokre bia just social media fabrication stories na mo ye but me nyini and me nyini se obi wo boss owo MPP mu a obetimi asake some member from the MPP because of ABR they thought to say their actions and they lead to the loss of the MPP 2024 elections. Now what about President Akufo-Addo? Me say the problem that we are facing is President Akufo-Addo. President Akufo-Addo now go MPP party. Now in fact me hear video be very disgusting. Me ra ho papa after the elections em say Alan Kwadwo Chiremanten and so mokwa yi ana omo chiachia na nchiaye no nse former president Kufuor na otwato na Alan chia nipa na ote ho no em say na former president Kufuor nim say oba ba chia no ana Alan Kamu, Alan Snowboy. Hey, me share video na me raho na me say, hey, it's too far. That is to tell you the anger of Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen. And more MPP for a more na more good former President Kufuor Animase ama Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen ayesa ade na agu former President Kufuor Animase. Because encourage former President Kufuor and Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen, the relation I do muntem no na any relation ketwa. But former President Kufuor so no efa baabi no. In fact, no kure Nyankopon anim the former President Kufuor wanye ni ye. Because former President Kufuor wankasa wunim bon for sem atutura sem kabi and kabi amwade nanado danko Akufo-Addo I show to you. Wunim de ekwa ekoso wo MPP mu a enye nyina former President Kufuor wo kan Akufo-Addo eye papa mpo a wakampo Akufo-Addo mfiu bra na MPP uhu se MPP be ko opposition no former President Kufuor wankasa wo frep Akufo-Addo de to nanim se o make sure say issues a ewo one Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen tam ene kwan a mo fa so chimchim delegate no nsa ko yi candidate ya Ghana for MP no they should resolve the issue na omo a omudi Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen tiachi ya sake omo nyina hopes mo ene ayi Boniface mo ne de keka ho no omo ni omo nkara omo mra back Samia Wuku GFK Frema Opare Miracles Aboaje ne hwan mu nyina fem say former President Kufuor should go to hell over their dead body. Say omo be reconcile with all these people na Bawumia ewini Emma ye twen wo former President Kufuor wa no wo form na se omo disabon for sem we ye na akala asawa adentina ye sanso kofa say ne brana beka bi ma Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia because they know say they are not popular o sanso ba na former President Kufuor said your health tie na ya sanso pagya de wakwa kugina campaign platform so in fact me rare hoy and then the way Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen fast be respond to you one sem na wo kan ye say yenkoto aba ma Bawumia na Bawumia na oye economics one na the way na Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen si aye angry o si respond to you na say Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen ompa bufu and the way was ni buasiefu no very deep and meaning say eno ne nam so a ama Alan Kwadwo Kyerematen asnobe the former President John Agyekum Kufuor in fact na the way Alan si snobble President Kufuor na ohwe President Kufuor anima in fact ubesu video no de we dey meet fanchiro but ewo ho say in case bi a o pese wo hwe a metimi dia send o do contact me WhatsApp wa me the link re be mo na wa nkasa wakwa akwa but ma reho me ra ho sa ananka ene kwan say e basa but the me ya ne say the former President Kufuor nim kwanya President Akufo-Addo wamu ade na wabokoro no investors ya make omo asemi me say former President Kufuor is aware opa obi biara oben former President Kufuor bia no o misa former President Kufuor so bisa former President Kufuor na say o se onya we na onimu a wo de me frankadana munkonkosi umi and mumisa former President Kufuor say asem ben and o catch these investors bra na President Akufo-Addo what Jubilee House wa oje 10% oni free more para oje 10% no asem ben na former President Kufuor kan ye o de mumisa no na on deny na me fansem ni nyina mra me gu abonte me you are challenging me na me hu asem ameka me hu ya me nka da enu nti na nka me pese me pe just a single day and a single moment obi beka se me frankadane makana asem ana maka asem atie obi enye nokore ojina mu akwa akosiu me for defamation ana ojina mu dem yakokot se meka Jubilee House President Akufo-Addo asem na wo fees o de me be kokot di kan ko bisa President Akufo-Addo na ansa ente sa watu petetu because asema make bia de no ena make se mopa munim jogate munkonko bisa jogate se onim Paul Thompson UK oye multi-billionaire na dia be na Akufo-Addo de ye no mumisa no Akufo-Addo mo brada o Akufo-Addo o mo brada ono no ne yere ne ma no mo ye adwuma McDonald's e wo UK e ba ne se ne omo akoto multi-million dollar houses in UK e ba ne se na kritua esen. And John Mahama should probe into all these things. Kwanya omo afa so anya sika omo akatua esen. Meti say yes Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia Emma MPBR over 12 million Ghana cedis. Now Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia unya sika no he 12 million times 275. 12 million times 275. Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia unya sika no he. Anasa se obeka se bia eye party no mpu na sponsor ya party no unya sika no he. Adwuma ben na NPP party ye. Yam penokre wo kurumu ha. Nanka 275 constituencies times 12 million. Look at the companies a bit to me abelde. Now look at employment a bit to me accrete. Ya shisikano. Ya shino kwa Ghana fuebre Ghana fu nyadwuma nye. Ye ka mo se mayenka. Me I always say Kennedy compre kwa Japan campaign na ye baba yelo. We are going to that money crazy no is out. Me to me, ebia you may disagree with me. E come kwa t-shirt, mo bia nye t-shirt. Mo bia nye poster. Mo bia nye even a check. Mo bia nye bibia. Sa sika no a wo de beye no. Wo de target constituency no. Ana nipa no ohaw ne amane nipa no wo mu no. Na solve the pan problem. Ana ne menya adwen. Mesremo Ghana for fiti sa abre ko ebia no. We should change the dynamism in our politics. T-shirt na ye no emfaso obi ani so. Me apart from say me social media bia atams na ma hye. Bisa say wo a wo gi bi no. Wo hye de ko he. Ye to aba wie ye. Wo hye, onhye. Say wo hye akọ he. Untimi hye nkwa asore. Untimi nhye nko program untimi nhye nko ba bia posters ya boka ye ni nyina sai mfaso bia ni so but o problem na eda ho no problem no da so da ho ana one menya adwen masro he me say I will advise anybody me mo bia nyusu ni sika so de kwa akoye posters or de koye banners or de koye t-shirt or de koye check when enim kena Japan in Ghana when enim no. Why na onim kene Japan? Na ye hire ho sika ye sell for these things no minia. Me say it need build the companies and industries. Ya t-shirt obi timi kasa na wa mama t-shirt me nto aba ma wa mama banners me nto aba ma wa mama eche me nto aba ma. Where from that? We should conscientize our Ghanaians to say all these things are not relevant. Enuntina omoma ye money anwa enchene ni jeni ni makoni kurum Valentin butu ne sekan se ye nyina ye nto aba mamo abra ye di bro yen se omo cheche money anwa ni biscuit no omo nche bi maye ana one menya adwen Mr. Mo this advocate no yen kana ento Ghana fo trimu ni obi biara wutie me ebeya memfa wo kapre. That is my advice. And I am praying, say, Kene Japan campaign, we are going to lead it. But say, me pa, me jisika free bi ho. Say, oh, me de kwaye t-shirt, me de kwaye posters, me de kwaye banners. Insida.
Yo, waiting for waiting and summer abeto. Yep, no so make out say so we can subscribe to channel idea, but more than say over subscribe. Now, feel well like video, give us a thumbs up, and share my offer for so. Now, when you be here, sunset had here latest and hot news and qua era me de bravo. Also, bet me at wondering a fire and some way you know, comment box in in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.